story name is The Father and His Sons. A father had a family of sons who were perpetually quarreling among themselves. When he failed to heal their disputes by his exhortations, he determined to give them a practical illustration of the evils of disunion, and for this purpose, he one day told them to bring him a bundle of sticks. When they had done so, he placed the faggot into the hands of each of them in succession and ordered them to break it in pieces. They tried with all their strength and were not able to do it. He next opened the faggot, took the sticks separately one by one, and again put them into his son's hands, upon which they broke them easily. He then addressed them in these words: "My sons, if you are of one mind and unite to assist each other, you will be as this faggot, uninjured by all the attempts of your enemies. But if you are divided among yourselves, you will be broken as easily as these sticks." Moral of story is, in union there is strength. Divided we fall. United we stand.
Hello, children. Look at the page. I am number 9. I am written as 9. I come after 8 and before 10. Let us say my name together. 9, 9!
Hello, little stars. Count with me. 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. When we finish counting, we get 9 chairs. Wow! That means the number on this page is 9.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Look at the page. Today we are learning a new number, 9. Look carefully at the big pink number 9 on the page. 9 comes before 10 and after 8. While we count numbers, let's look at the chairs, children. Let's count chairs first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 9 chairs on the page. We use chairs to sit on when we get tired or relax. Great learning today, children. Keep practicing number 9 and observe the number 9 and 9 things around you.
Hello, little stars. I am the tap. I give you clean water. This is my friend Sink, and this is soap. We help you wash your hands and keep you clean.
Hello, children. I am a bucket. You can use me for water. Look at the mirror. You can see your smiling face. And this towel helps you dry your hands and face. Hi, kids. I am the commode. I keep the bathroom clean. This is the bathtub for a nice bath. I am the toothbrush. I help you clean your teeth every day.
Hello, little friends. I am toothpaste. I make your teeth strong and shiny.
And I am hand wash. I remove germs and keep your hands safe and clean.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are learning about things in a bathroom. Let us find and name each object together in a fun way. Look at the page, children. This is a tap. The tap gives us clean water. We use the tap to wash our hands and face every day. Now look at the sink on the page. We wash our hands in the sink and keep the bathroom neat and clean. Can you see the soap? Soap helps remove dirt and germs. We use soap with water to keep our hands clean and healthy. Look here, children. This is a bucket. We use a bucket to store water and to help us during bath time. Now look at the shiny mirror. The mirror shows our face. We use the mirror while brushing and getting ready. See the soft towel on the page. We use a towel to dry our hands and body after washing. Now, children, this is the commode. We use it properly and we must always flush after using it to keep the bathroom clean. This big tub is called a bathtub. Some people like to sit in the bathtub and enjoy a nice bath with water and bubbles. Every morning and night, we use a toothbrush to clean our teeth. Brushing 2 times a day keeps our teeth strong and shiny. This is toothpaste. Use it with the toothbrush. Toothpaste helps remove food particles and protects our teeth from cavities. See, hand wash. Hand wash is very important because it kills germs and keeps our hands hygienic. I hope you all understand how important bathroom items are in our daily life. Always stay clean, stay healthy, and make good habits every day.
Hello, little stars. I am a heart shape. Look at me carefully. I am round on the top and pointed at the bottom. I am a special shape and I look very cute. Hello, friends. I am a strawberry heart. Look at my shape. I look like a heart because I am round on the top and pointed at the bottom. Yummy and cute.
Hello, children. I am a heart-shaped leaf. Look carefully at my top and my pointed bottom. I look just like a heart in nature.
Hello, kids. I am a heart button. See my shape. I am round on the top and pointed at the bottom, just like a heart.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are learning a very lovely shape, the heart. Now look at the strawberry. It is also in heart shape, children. Strawberry is very tasty fruit. Now look at the tree leaf, children. You can find heart shapes in nature. It is also in heart shape. Now look at the beautiful heart shape button. You can use it to decorate your clothes. Great job, my little stars.
Children, look at the sun. It shows a bright day. Say with me, day.
Look, children, this is hay. Say it softly, hay. Children, the egg is lay in the nest. Say with lay. Look at the money, children. We pay with money. Say, pay.
Look at the sunshine, children. This is a sun ray. Repeat, ray. Look at the path, children. This is the way. Say, way.
Children, this sea place is a bay. Say it nicely. Bay. When we speak, we say words.
Repeat with me. Say.
Good.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn very special word sounds called the A and Y family words. Let us start with the first picture, day. A day means the time when the sun is in the sky and we play and learn. Now look at this yellow bundle of grass. This is called hay. Farmers give hay to animals like cows and horses. Next, look at the egg resting quietly in the nest. The word is lay. Birds lay eggs in a nest. Now see the money picture. When we give money to buy something, we pay. Look at the bright light coming from the sun. That bright line of light is called a ray. Now look at the long road going forward. This shows a way. A way helps us know where to go. Next, look at the picture. When we talk or speak words, we say something. Now look at the beautiful water place near the land. This is called a bay. A bay is a part of the sea near the land. Finally, look at the children playing. When we have fun with games, toys, or friends, we play. Great job, children.
Hello, kids. I am Tax. Your tax money helps the bank and the city.
Say with me.
T-A-X, tax.
Hello, little stars. I am Wax. I help candles shine bright. Say it softly. W-A-X, wax. Hi, friends. I am Fax. I send papers very fast. Say with me. F-A-X, fax. Hello, kids. I am Lax. I am a fun sports word. Read with me. L-A-X, lax.
Hello, friends. My name is Max. I love to jump and play. Say it nicely. M-A-X, Max.
Hi, little musicians. I am Sax. I make lovely music. Say with me. S-A-X, sax.
Hello, kids. I am a cab. I take people safely. Read with me. C-A-B, cab.
Hi, friends. I am Dab. I put small paint spots. Say it clearly. D-A-B, dab. Hello, little stars. I am Nab. It means catch nicely. Say with me, maybe Nab.
Hi, kids. I am a tab. I help you learn and see pictures. Say it with me. T-A, tab. Hello, children. I am a lab. We learn and explore here. Say with me.
L-A-B, lab. Hi, friends. I am Jab. A small and quick punch in sports. Say slowly. J-A-B, jab.
Hello, little stars. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to read very fun and easy words. These words belong to two small word families, AX and AB. The first word is tax. Tax is money that people give to the government to help the country. Now look at the candle picture. This word is wax. Wax helps a candle to shine and stay strong. Children, see this machine. The word is fax. A fax machine sends papers from one place to another. Now read this word, lax. Lax is used to play or catch things like ball, insect, flies. Now children, let us read the word max. It is made with M-A-X. Max can be a boy's name. Children, now look at the word sax. Sax is a short form of saxophone, which is a musical instrument. This word is cab. A cab is a small taxi that takes people from one place to another. Now children, look at the unicorn picture. The word is dab. Dab means to touch gently on the floor or something. Now children, look at the nab picture. The word is nab. Nab means to catch something or someone. This word is tab. A tab is a small computer screen we use to learn and watch. Now read the next word, lab. A lab is a special room where we learn and do experiments. Now read this word, jab. Jab is a small quick punch in boxing sports. Very good, children.